Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel Financial Radio. In this video, we will discuss about the important updates that we have seen in the live market today. Initially, we will discuss about BHEL stock regarding the deal that it had received today. And we will also discuss about an electric bike giant. And we will discuss about Suzlon stock which is in the news in the recent times. And we will go further. Just before that, let's check the closing of Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty. When coming to Nifty 50, it gave a closing of 21,456 points and it is nearly 1.25% up. That means Nifty has gained 273 points today. When coming to Bank Nifty gave a closing of 48,143 points. That is 0.83% up closing. It nearly gained 411 points today. So Nifty and Bank Nifty are very much bullish. So they closed at the all-time high point. It is a very positive note, but we have to be very careful when trading at all-time highs. So investors are keeply watching the all-time highs and the action that the market has been playing in the recent days. Now we are going to talk about a stock called BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. BHEL shares surged by 3%, reaching a 52-week high, driven by a recent memorandum of understanding, that is MOU, with the Central Manufacturing Technology Institute, that is CMTI. This collaboration focuses on developing the hydrogen value chain and industrial Internet of Things solutions for predictive maintenance in machinery and manufacturing processes. The stock opened at 184 rupees, showing a 1.5% increase from the previous closing price of 181.25 rupees. As of 12:30 pm, the share price was trading at 0.83% higher, that is 182.75 rupees. This positive momentum aligned with the broader BSE Sensex index, which saw a 0.7% increase, trading at 71,000. BHEL's market capitalization currently stands at 63,634.71 crores, with over 6.78 lakh shares exchanged on the BSE. Reflecting investors' confidence, notably, the company had hit a 52-week low of 66.30 rupees on February 27th earlier this year. This development follows BHEL's recent successes, including a 2,956 crore deal from the Ministry of Defense and a collaboration with Altrite de France for the Jaitapur nuclear power plant project. In the July to September quarter of financial year 24, BHEL reported a net loss of 238.12 crore rupees, contrasting with a profit of 12.10 crore in the corresponding period of the previous year. The net income for the September quarter witnessed a decline of 2.07% to 5,305 crore rupees compared to 5,418 crore rupees in the same period last year. Before going forward, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel Financial Radio. So now we need to discuss about a stock called Suzlon Energy. Suzlon Energy stock just surged nearly 4% after securing a new wind power project. Stick around as we dive deep into the details. Suzlon Energy, a major player in the renewable energy solutions, witnessed a boost in its shares today. The reason is a fresh order for a 100 megawatt wind power project. Let's dive deep into the details. The company hasn't spilled the beans on the client or the financials of the details, but this mystery order caused Suzlon share to rise by 3.6%, hitting a intraday high of 38.69 rupees. A welcome change after 3 consecutive days of decline. So what's in the project pipeline? Suzlon will be setting up 32 wind turbine generators in Gujarat, each with a 3.15 megawatt capacity and featuring a hybrid lattice tubular tower. The company will handle everything from supply and supervision to commissioning and post-commissioning services. Girish Tanti, Vice Chairman of Suzlon Group, stressed the company's commitment to providing clean and green power. JP Chalasani, the CEO, sees this order as a testament to the reliability of Suzlon's technology. Now, if you have been following Suzlon Energy's journey, you will know it's been quite a ride. The stock has surged over 500% in the last 9 months, from 6 rupees to a high of 44 rupees on November 17. Impressive, right? Yeah, and here we have an interesting pieces. CRISIL upgraded Suzlon Energy's rating to CRISIL BBB+/A2 in September. They cited a strengthened financial position, operational excellence, and positive sectoral tailwinds as reasons for the upgrade. Today we have got another exciting news from Ather Energy, the Hero Motocorp backed electric two-wheeler startup. The company is gearing up for profitability in the next 18 to 20 months and eyeing an IPO around the same time. Ather plans to double its volume with the launch of a family scooter next year, filling a gap in its portfolio. CEO Tarun Mehta shared that Ather's cash burn for financial year 24 is expected to be same or lower than financial year 23. Despite facing a subsidy cut of 400 crores, the company is likely to raise another round of funding before going public. The family scooter is a strategic move targeting the mass market, which constitutes nearly 80% of the segment. Mehta highlighted the scooter's feature, including a large seat, ample storage, and more legroom. Ather faced challenges after the government slashed subsidies on electric two-wheelers by 70%, leading to a drop in sales. However, the company recovered with sales exceeding 9,000 units in November and aims to reach 13,000 units per month by March 2024. Mehta emphasized the need for a gradual reduction in subsidies to avoid disrupting industry growth and creating uncertainty for customers. Despite the challenges, Ather's charging network, the Ather grid, remains a significant asset, attracting other OEMs and gaining recognition from the Bureau of Indian Standards. In a strategic move, Hero MotoCorp increased its stake in Ather, now holding 39.7%. Although both companies operate independently, Ather's charging network is being utilized by Hero and is attracting interest from other OEMs. As the electric vehicle industry looks towards the government's target of 100% electric two-wheeler sales by 2030, Ather plans for profitability, IPO, and expansion into the family scooter segment position. It is a key player in India's electric mobility landscape. That's all we have for today. If you really find this video helpful at any point of time, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.